Brian Game Toys. Isaiah, wait. Hey, you're grabbing my arm.
You know which animal this came from? So it came from a mouse. Do you see how small it is? So this was able to fit into a tiny little mouse head. And then this one is from a rhesus macaque. It's a type of monkey that's kind of small. It's probably about this tall right there. See it? So which one looks more like the human brain? Did you go see the human brain? This one, yeah. So what makes it look more similar? It's bigger, right? Just like the human brain? So have you heard before that a bigger brain means you're smarter? No? Oh, well, a lot of people have heard that. But, man, ruining my punchline there.
And so we did surgery and we were able to put a plate in with all the screws that was able to help his arm heal nice and normally. And now he's full grown and has full use of his arm. Just like what doctors do when they go in and they fix our arms. Now this is a turtle. She's not sick or anything, but these are eggs inside of her. So those are her eggs and she's gonna lay those when she's ready. Pretty cool, huh? That's a turtle head.
One elephant too.
Thank you.
All these elementary schools are participating in this and grow our knowledge and understanding of the diversity and how it fluctuates. So we're working with a team of people who are not quite ready yet. We're hoping
Looks like the
you guys bringing it in is helping us realize how we're going to have to do that.
There's bubbles all over.
Oh, look at the cute little robot down here. It looks like Wall-E.
A little harder.
It is drying.
You gotta fill it all the way up.
She can if you want to. You want to empty out all of your materials, and then you're going to stack 5 craft sticks.
Oh, hello again. IEEE is the world's largest professional association for the advancement of technology.
So this is a project, this is Ken. Ken actually has cameras. The center of his eyes are actually... So he's actually looking at faces. He's going through and trying to see all the faces in the room. He normally has a full AI. The mic's not working today, but normally you could just talk to him and he talks back. I'm typing in for the microphone to help.
What was it? What's your question?
Hey, typing, but I'm not good at math.
Yeah, you're not good at that.
Just translate the spiky tail lizard. You see his tail right here?
Hey,
one's restless though.
Yeah.
Baby. Do they say that small or are they bigger?
I'm not sure about the pancake tortoise.
Yeah?
That one's not mine.
Wants out though. It's like, hey, let me hang out.
This is the same
Very
turtle.
fun and active social tortoise.
You can touch him 2 fingers on his back. His name is Blooper, and he's a ball python. And he's about, I think they estimate 7 months old, and he was rescued from a storage unit.
Yes. He's got some beautiful colors.
Friendly?
He's a little antsy, so I'm not going to pet him right now.
Yeah. Stressed out?
Let's try to check and see how he's
A whole lot of action. You feel the spikes?
Okay, you gotta calm down. It's okay.
Go this way.
Come this way with them.
Go this way.
Ready?
That's not.
Shedding, so he decided this morning when I got him out, he decided to start shedding. I'm like, dude! Yeah.
You can pet him. You can also pet the bearded dragon.
Oh, he's soft.
Yep. He's very soft.
That's a milk snake in there who's buried.
Right there behind